I am Omid from Phoenix English. Did you already do it? Are you still doing it? Or have you not done it yet? Let's talk about it. Last week's, I had a couple of students ask me which one should I use? Already? Still? Yet? Which one's correct? And because a couple of people asked me, I thought, hey, this is a great topic to share with everyone. So I want to help you today to start to understand how to use already, still, and yet. I think the easiest way to think about these three words is by imagining a timeline. First, we have the past, then the present, and then the future. So let's start with the past. We use already in the past, still in the present, and yet in the future. Let's focus on already. Let's imagine that your friend calls you and says, "Hey, do you want to eat dinner?" You might say, "Oh, I'm sorry. I already ate dinner." This is something that you did in the past. I already ate dinner. It's finished now. I already studied English today, so I'm tired. I need to give my brain a break. Or, I already watched TV for 3 hours, so now I need to go out and move and exercise. I already sat for a long time. This is something in the past. Excuse me. Let's move to talk about the present. The word still. Still. So, for example, your friend is calling you again. Your friend loves to call you. And she says, "Hey, why aren't you at my house? You said that you would be here at 11 o'clock." You might say, "Oh, I'm sorry. I'm still getting ready." At the moment, you're getting ready. Maybe you're changing your clothes or you're taking care of the house. At the moment, you're doing something. I'm still getting ready. And that's why we often use the word still with ing. Still getting ready. I'm still working. I'm still speaking English. That's great. I'm still doing something at the moment. Now, let's go to the future. Wow, let's go to the future. It's awesome. Let's talk about the word yet. Yet. So we use yet, for example, in this situation. Your friend is calling you again. Turn off your phone. Your friend calls you too much. Your friend is calling you again and says, "Hey, why aren't you at my house? It's 11 o'clock." You might say, "I haven't gotten in the car yet." Because you use the word yet, it means that you probably will do this in the future. But at the moment, you haven't done it yet. So here is another example. Maybe your teacher says, "Hey, did you watch that video that I sent you for our lesson?" And you might say, "Oh, I haven't watched it yet." But don't worry, I'll watch it before our next lesson. It means you're gonna do it in the future, but at the moment, you haven't done it. So there's an expectation that you will do it in the future. And I want to let you know we use this in a negative way. I haven't done something yet. I haven't eaten dinner yet. I haven't gone to the store yet. There's an expectation that it's gonna happen in the future. So now, I have a challenge for you. Are you ready? I want you to write 3 sentences in the comments below. One of them using already, one of them with still, and one of them with yet. I hope that you can fully understand this idea, and when you read each other's comments and each other's sentences, you can more fully get the context of these expressions. I hope this video today was useful for you, and if it was, come back for more on this channel. I'll see you later. Bye.